Gochake mesa ya mangana yeto gochaka kuruase skuru ya Cardinal Otunga Mosocho meye kaunti ya Kisii aso kumurekera mangana rengete chisemi ya somo je gabuli tukulia lero oyo kolekana so kunyara gochengera obakori ya bweskuru ejo anasa matemu abakago eta matemu mana KCS umwako eta rana boni gomu waziri wechisemi zekeri macho oyo kagergo kirana somo je goyo hata bakoko kirana somo bunga bwensemi ya ton kibagendi aicha ndogo tekirana kwaye omu waziri wechisemi zekeri macho somo gabweli tukolia lero chenga keja somo go yubo igoni go siasa ya rokana kubwatanse asomo senator we county ya Kisii Monyonga arokana kuma mochomo governor we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati omulike so Josephat Amisi nekira nenseme yonna go twaliganira roboti rokubwatia aba bwatani aabe chisemi nigo banyara ko bagwikirana eskuru y'abamure ya Cardinal Otunga eligo chengero gokora bya kwa matemwa manene kirasi gikomina kabere umwaka onyara ko bagweta asabange banyara ko bagukugikeria abantu banyara ko bagwesokia sobwango iga nagoteba buna rogongo rwa Gusii nigo banyara ko barogokora bya kubatikana okoibera amatemwa omoje go yinigo nyara ko bagukora wano mo bishop we diocese ya Kisii Bishop Mairura.
We are not happy over the intimidation Gusii land received over social media because, take for instance, my Lord Bishop, Kisii and Nyamira, total number of A's were 83. And people are shouting in social media, intimidating principals, intimidating schools, intimidating leaders. We are saying, Gusii, we are not yet there.
Put the school back to its former glory. We wish that you continue doing this and do better this year. Bishop, you've done very well. As a sponsor, we worked very closely with the County Education Board. I want to thank you for the support that you have given.
Nonyera bo ababwatani akuru wizara y'ichisemi niko banyara ko bakwenekele skuru yo ambacho kubwaterana nero ilinde kwenekea buna nyere ko bego korabya asemya kere motwe.
So I want to wish the conquerors well so that they'll be able to give us the mean of 11.0 and above, and we shall work together with the school as a Ministry of Education. We shall support, and more so the Quality Assurance Department. We will be able to come and sharpen and check the areas where we need to improve so that we achieve the 11.0 and above together.
Gati abali banyara ko bagwikirana somo yego yo no seneta bwe county ya Kisii Richard Onyonga yote bani gale tayare likomerana muno mugabana bwe county ya Kisii Simbarati linde banyara ko bakwirania anse amaberera siasa ayanyale ko bakorekana sorgongo rwa Gusii
Moteri ntore lukwa na nere atire ko wanya bantu bosongo ameshua otire otwara liberera inge na ile taoni arba baka una Bishop Mairura kwanera bamoteri una Gusii ko andeka Gusii teri une korekana Gusii teri to mondo wata magera mange omonto siete kilo monto omoteri ntore lukwa na inwe.
Boigo omochumbe we constituency ya Kitutu Chache South Anthony Kibagendi ndiganyara ko bagwikirana somo yego yo ase boigo anyara ko bakwenekele bamenyi benseme yo bunere amuna bachumbe bande tibaligo chikoba bagwancherana anene wetigwa we finance bill yegendere ko bege kwanerwa ingana yanyara ko bege gusirwa boigo no senator Richard Onyonga.
Maisha yamekuwa magumu sana. Kuongeza levy ya 3% kwa katika payslips za Wakenya itaumiza watu wetu sana, haswa walimu ambao tuko hapa nao siku ya leo.
Fadhali soma magazeti uone wananchi wamekataa tax ya nyumba. Wananchi hawataka kununua nyumba. Punguza bei ya sukari, punguza bei ya mafuta, punguza bei ya vitabu, punguza bei. Next month, Mr. President, our fuel will be 200 shillings a liter. What are our people going to do? The poverty levels in our country have reached a stage where if you don't watch out, this country is going to break down.
Kuripoteri kataseni Ndizi TV kure skuru ya bamura ya Cardinal Otunga yego toka mie constituency ya Kitutu Chache South ime county ya Kisii eliterana Josephat Hamisi.